Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to cancel Puregym membership on app, and the easiest way to cancel your Puregym membership and through online cancellation process. You need to cancel your membership at least for working days before your next payment, and do ensure and further payment are cancelled and log into your membership area. Select the manage into your gym pass section and then select freeze or cancel your membership, and as you showing below, from here you can follow the cancellation instruction. And if you guys found this video helpful for you, then you can thank me and like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content. And you can cancel guys the membership after 4 days subscription, and you can cancel easy, and you can freeze or cancel membership.